Hey, Goober, wow, check out this vintage Pontiac Lemans.
It looks like a
It's
1964.
pretty nice, man.
Oh, wow, look, a 326
326,
V8.
that used to be a Dodge engine. That's a 5.7
Okay,
liter.
but now it's a Pontiac.
Check out that big dog. I'm glad they have him on a leash.
Yeah, don't make any noise. Be quiet. Not so loud.
Okay, they got him on a leash. Don't worry about it.
Well, let's see if we can see the interior of this Lemans.
Okay, let's go check it out. Hey, man, wouldn't it be crazy if there was like a pistol or a machine gun or maybe some hand grenades on the front seat?
Yeah, or a bag of Doritos and a box of Twinkies.
What, you got the munchies or something, man?
No, I'm just sort of hungry.
Oh, wow, man, you know what?
No, what?
This is a Tempest.
Oh, I thought it was a Lemans.
Yeah, they all look similar. The GTO, the Lemans, the Tempest.
Sounds like they're having some sort of outdoor concert over there.
Kind of sounds like karaoke.
Hey, man, check it out. The chaplain's here.
Oh, wow, I didn't
Yeah,
notice.
they should have made the lettering just a little bit larger. Hey, look, a fire extinguisher.
Oh, wow, check out that shifter, man.
Where's the toilet paper?
Shifter. You know, now that
Oh.
I'm looking at that chaplain's truck, it reminds me of when my cousin was staying with
Oh,
us.
you mean your cousin Billy?
Yeah, now you remember?
Oh, and the probation officer would come to your house?
Yeah, in that white car that had big lettering that said adult probation.
Oh, yeah, and lettering just like that chaplain's truck.
Yep, embarrassing.
Whatever happened to Billy?
Prison.